I think if you look at the industry, oil and gas, is always the big question around the digital transformation and how does technology help these industries actually grow, both in terms of the operations that they have today and how could they extract value by using technology, and also to unlock future benefits in the environment as well. So technology plays a big part in those verticals, and not just those verticals, other verticals in the industry today. And if you look at the digitalization and the whole digital evolution, technologies like 5G definitely plays a key component to unlocking that value.
I am happy with the level of engagement and the level of questions. It was very successful, but definitely there will be other events. I could see a lot of interest from the oil and gas companies into putting together a roadmap for the digitization of their industry. Of course, this is not an easy exercise. It needs full collaboration between Nokia, MTN, and the oil and gas companies. First, to put in place where we want to be, the future, and then where we are today, and put together a roadmap towards reaching our end goal.
I mean, tech is there's always these things, but you've got to reduce the current cost, bring efficiencies and all that, but at the same time, you are required to really start enabling the future. So what is that business case to bring in all this tech that will really help us going forward? And how do you really practically start moving and driving that adoption and also taking business with, you still need to come and find ways to really see how we're going to fund these new technologies that will take us to the future.
So, we talk digital transformation, but recently the issue of spectrum has been sort of addressed, but not on its own entirety. You realize that much as the big brothers have received spectrum, they haven't been given the leeway for them to start the deployment, still going through some challenges. So the issue for me really is to say, this digital transformation discussion or digital transformation journey that we're talking about, if we don't look at this main challenge of spectrum, I don't think we're going to go anywhere. We'll still be here for the next 5 years and we won't realize what we're talking about.
There is place and space for LTE and 4G in this 5G world. I think I need to wrap my mind around that still, but I think I'm energized by the conversation. And what I really liked about the roundtable today is that it was an Africa roundtable. I think that as South Africa, we shouldn't operate as though we're an island. And so to have an Africa conversation, for me, that energized me quite a bit.
There's a lot of learning experiences that we can leverage from around the world. There's no reason to reinvent the wheel. That learning experience needs to come together to really facilitate the vision. I hope the takeaway was that MTN and Nokia are trying to be a key partner for the oil and gas industry and help them solve the 5G puzzle.
Data on its own is not a solution to a problem, but it's what you do with the data. And that's typically what happens when a solution is provided without solving a specific business problem. And that's really a fundamental part of our business model, where we're saying as a tech co, what we want to do is to start from a problem statement with the client, and where we bring in our technology to solve a specific business problem for our clients, and where we partner and we co-create with the client to build a solution.